Now we will discuss on judicial accountability and the in-house procedure. The recent report about the alleged recovery of unaccounted money from the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma have raised concern about judicial accountability. The case highlights the procedure for initiating a criminal proceeding against a sitting judge and the role of Chief Justice of India in this manner. So can a criminal case be filed against a sitting judge? The answer is no. An FIR cannot be filed directly against a sitting judge. As per Supreme Court ruling in K. Veer Swamy versus Union of India 1991, no criminal proceeding can begin against a judge without consulting the Chief Justice of India. If Chief Justice of India finds merits in the allegation, he advises the President of India to grant permission for filing an FIR. Now the question is, why is consultation with CJI is required? So the answer is this safeguards prevents frivolous and politically motivated complaint against a judge. It ensures judicial independence by protecting judges from unnecessary harassment. If the allegations are credible, a proper procedure is followed to take actions. Are judges considered public servant? The question is yes. As per the K. Veer Swamy judgment, the judges of the High Courts and the Supreme Courts are public servants under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1947. This means that they can be prosecuted for corruption related offences but only with prior sanction. Now, the question is who can remove a judge? A judge can only be removed through impeachment as per Article 124, subclause 4 and 5 of the Indian Constitution. The President of India is the authority to approve prosecution under the PC Act, but act on the advice of the Chief Justice of India. Now, what is the in-house procedure for the complaint against a judge? First, it was introduced in K. Veer Swamy versus Union of India 1991 and later refined as Ravi Chandran Iyer versus Justice A. M. Bhattacharya case 1995. It is a confidential internal inquiry to maintain the credibility of the judiciary. Now, we will try to understand the step-by-step process of in-house inquiry. Now, the step 1, complaint received. The complaint can be received by the Chief Justice of the High Court and the CJI or the President. If received by the President, it is forwarded to the Chief Justice of India. Now, step 2, preliminary inquiry by Chief Justice of High Court. The Chief Justice conducts a confidential inquiry from independent sources, seeks a written response from the accused judge. If serious allegations are found, the Chief Justice consults the Chief Justice of India. Now, step 3, review by Chief Justice of India. The CJI evaluates the information and takes further action if required. If a deeper probe is needed, the CJI forms a three-member committee, two Chief Justice of other high courts and one senior high court judge. Step 4, investigation by a three-judge committee. The committee conducts a detailed inquiry following principles of natural justice. The accused judge is given an opportunity to present their defense. A report is submitted to the CJI. Step 5, action based on committee's finding. If serious misconduct is proven, the judge is asked to resign or take voluntary retirement. If judge refuses, the CJI advises the President and the Prime Minister to start impeachment process. Example: Justice Soumitra Sen of Calcutta High Court refused to resign, leading to impeachment proceeding. If misconduct is found but not serious, the judge is cautioned and advised to improve behavior. If the complaint is against a Supreme Court judge, the CJI examines the case. If needed, a three-judge Supreme Court committee conducts an inquiry. Now, the question is transparency of in-house procedure. The in-house procedure remains confidential to protect judges from frivolous accusations. In Indira Jaising versus Registrar General, Supreme Court, the court ruled that the inquiry report should not be made public. Critics argue that the lack of transparency affects public trust. In 2015, the Supreme Court directed its registry to upload the procedure on its official website. Now, what is the conclusion of this? The in house procedure ensures accountability while safeguarding judicial independence. However, concerns remains over lack of transparency and the potential for misuse of secrecy. A fair and transparent process is essential to maintain public faith in the judiciary.